Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Xiaomi Wi-Fi range extender N300. So let's take a look what we have in the box and how we can use it. Manuals. One indicator at the front. No ports, only two antennas. Take your existing Wi-Fi from your router and extend it with this extender. It works only on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Let's plug it in and start the setup. And here it is and the reset button. Xiaomi app, add the device. There it is. Choose the Wi-Fi network you want to extend from your router. Enter the password, agree, next, connect. And done. Living room. You can rename the device. Invite your family members to use together. Do not share for now. Agree. Blue LED is solid on, that means is connected. Wi-Fi roaming you can activate. Create a network with a name identical to home network. You can rename the Wi-Fi name or change the password. You can hide the network. Connected devices only one. Again, rename, manage location, share device, firmware update, up to date, help and feedback, additional settings and display on Xiaomi Home. Now let's run a test. This repeater, it is about 10 meters away from my main router and between them it is two walls. I really like how easy it is to set up and how it helps improve coverage in areas where the main router signal struggles to reach. If you have that one room where the bars always drop or your videos keep buffering, this is one of the most affordable set it and forget it solutions out there. It's small, it looks slick, and it does exactly what it promises. It grabs your existing signal and stretches it just that bit further. It's not going to give you fiber optic speeds in the garden, but for stable browsing and streaming in a dead zone, it's a total lifesaver. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more tech reviews, smart home devices, and network gadgets. Thanks for watching, enjoy better Wi-Fi coverage, and I'll see you in the next one.